today I'm working on a water heater. This thing is leaking. Down here at the bottom, you can see water running out of it. Just coming out, going in this drain pan, and then going out that the drain on it. So that part's doing as it should. And that's what it looks like up there. And I don't know, he said he's had this water off for a while, and it's still running out like that. So I'm not for sure if that on off valve up there is working. I got up there and tried it, and it's off. I can't get it to go no more, but I'm just not for sure. I may have to turn the main water off to do this. I'm about to test the electric. They said that they flipped a switch thinking that it was going to this water heater. I know that they said their dryer don't work now, so I don't know if they would be on the same breaker, but I'm about to get my electrical tester out and test and see if we have power up here or not right now. And they bought a new one. I'm at my sister's house, so they bought a new one already. And then I think this one's a 50 gallon, and I think they bought a 40 gallon. So I'm gonna get busy working on this. Whoa, shoot.
It's coming out.
Uh-oh. What? I need that water hose again.
Oh.
Alright, I'm trying to drain it. A minute ago I tried to drain it, but it wouldn't drain. Hooking a water hose up to this. Well, I guess maybe, but whenever I unloosen the top lines, it's allowing air to get in. Went out and starting to drain. So we're gonna do this. All right. It's outside? Okay, here we go. Yeah, there it goes. Let it sit there and drain. Check the brake. I'm gonna go back up and take those top lines, make them looser. Almost fell. You can hear it. You can hear it coming out right there. I didn't think it was gonna work because a minute ago I did it and nothing came out. But once I unloosen these and allow air into the system, it started coming out. So I'm gonna allow a little bit more. Oh yeah, I hear it going. Oh yeah, I hear it sucking in from both of them. Yeah, I'm up here. I'm trying to allow more air to get in so it'll push it. All right. Got it drained. It worked. Unloosening those up there on top, and now I just grabbed it and I pulled it over and I have the top down here on the floor. No water's running out, so that's a good sign. You can see how rusted this thing was. And that water that's in the pan, he got a new pan. So he went to go find a dolly, and then I'm gonna try to get it on a dolly and see if I can't get it down these stairs and outside in the front yard. So that's what is the next step. I tell you what, I asked Steve if he had some channel locks. Look at that. Is that a pair of channel locks or what? Look at that sucker. That is huge. That is crazy. Steve normally has anything you need. He not only brought me one, he brought me another one. And another one. 3 of them. All right.
Getting this down and the other one up. It's gonna be a bitch.
Oh. All right.
How are we gonna do this?
I guess I'm just gonna go inch it step by step down, I guess. Just hope.
Okay, be careful. I'll open the door for you. No, we're just gonna put it on the front porch. So Kevin can get it. Turn around there.
Oh man, I keep pushing.
Just be careful. Ain't worth dying for. You about got it. Maybe. Okay, try it. There you go.
Okay.
I'm holding this for you. Can you do it, Kim?
If I can just get behind it now. Alright, what I'm doing now, I'm getting this pan back in. Trying to get a washer on each side, and with a rubber. Then I'm going to tighten it up like this. Okay. Now the fun part, I got to get the water heater up here on this wood and then try to pick it up and set it in there. And that is going to be the fun part.
That's going to be pitch. I can go up higher.
Do you have a, well, I'll go get one, like a brick.
I got a brick.
Up here, do you have something like that up here?
A brick?
Just a block?
I go how thick?
Just taller than that pan? So we can lean it and then put it on that brick and then we'll just slide it over into the thing.
Okay, I got one in the garage.
I mean, if you have something up here,
I got it in
or
the-
I'll go down there.
I'll get it. Just hold
Okay,
that.
I got it.
I'll be right back.
All right, we're gonna try to tilt it backwards. Set a brick underneath there and then tilt it back forward and that'll raise it up the height of the brick. And then hopefully I can slide it over into this pan.
Here we go, Kyle. Is this big enough?
All right.
I got it.
Now.
Got it?
Yeah, see that raises it up.
Slide it.
Well, it's not tall enough. I may have to turn that brick.
All right, I got it down here.
You got it? It's not quite tall enough.
Got it?
Yeah.
Watch your foot.
Okay.
Come on, just a little more. Better.
Okay. There. There it is. It is in there. Right where I left them. That's where most things I lose end up. Right where I left them.
You know who was famous for that? Your dad. I used to crack up.
Well, I used to could blame my son and his stuff, but now he don't live there no more. And,
Yeah.
you know, so it's all my fault.
But yeah, your dad. Okay, well, tell us, what are we going to buy? I lost that. I couldn't find it.
Yeah, end up with 3 of everything. You can't find any of them.
Yep, that was your dad. I didn't.
All right, he's still filling. I turned the hot water on over here in the bathroom in 2 sinks, and it's spitting out air in there now. So it is about ready to hook up the electrical. Still sounds like it's filling though. This is not leaking, and this right here is not leaking. So now I need to go turn the power on and let it sit for about an hour and see what's happening with it. Oh wait, okay, job done. I just plugged it in, got the lines on, no leaks. Got that line put back on. It's not really on right. He's gonna have to, because they have that piece PVC glued together and there's no way I can twist it in. So that one will probably have to be replaced if they ever go to use that. He probably never has. Probably not gonna be an issue. But got a brand new pan. Got it plugged, power turned back on. I can hear it barely when I put my ear up to it. And it's gonna warm up and we'll see what it looks like here in about an hour.